sure you have 2 sheets to help you practice. All you're doing is you are determining the perimeter on this sheet. So remember, perimeter is all the way around. And if you've forgotten, you go back and watch this video again or read through the directions up here and it tells you what it is. And your last one for Monday is right here. And also you've got a fun snack to eat on Monday too, so enjoy that. I want to go ahead and show you your Wednesday activity also. It is a farm builder with area and perimeter. So you're going to be doing some of the stuff you did today, but a little bit differently, just not chicken coops. You have another grid paper to design your farm. And here, your next sheet is going to be a letter from Old MacDonald telling you that he's building a new farm in town. And he's given you what he needs on his farm and the dimensions, the area, the perimeter, and he's going to ask you to help him out. And your last sheet here is your to-do list for creating the farm. Just check these things off as you go. All right, the last thing I want us to do today is have a little fun determining perimeter and area of some farms, some little pastures I have created. So I'm going to show you in another activity that you can do after you've finished everything. You can determine area and perimeter of things around your house or outside as well. I have a tape measure here. And we're gonna find the area and perimeter of these parts, these animal farms, pastures, fencing areas, whatever we wanna call them. All right. And also notice our little fun farm animals. Everybody has their own farm animal in your bag that you can do an activity with. All right, first we're going to find the perimeter of this first one here. So I'm going to measure its length. It is 12 inches. So, and one thing that I like to do is draw a picture to help me when I'm doing it. It just helps me see it better, and I'll show you. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. All right, so I said the length was 12 inches. So I've gone ahead and drawn a shape kind of like this. It's not perfect, but this will help me. Now I'm going to measure this side. It is 12. And boys and girls, what have I noticed? This is a perfect square. So I already have one of the sides, or two of the sides, so I know the other ones will also be 12. And so when you're finding perimeter, you can add all of the sides up. So I have 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12. Remember, the other trick with squares or anything that's regular with everything the same size, you can multiply it. I have 12 times 4. And so then I'm just going to multiply this and get 48 inches. The perimeter of this farm here is 48 inches. Okay? Very good. Now, I want to go on to one that's not. I'm just going to move this one out of the way. I'm sorry here. And drape this around. Let's look at this one here that is not a perfect square. This is a rectangle. So I'm going to take my tape measure again. And around my hat here. I'm going to measure the length. It is 18 inches. I'm going to put that one away. I'm going to draw my picture like I told you I like to do. Just helps me. So 18 inches. And now I need to measure the side, the width. And it is 6 inches. Remember what we talked about. If this is 18, this is also 18. And if this is 6, this is also 6. So now I'm going to add all of my sides. I have 18 plus 18 is 36. And I have 6 plus 6 is 12. 36 plus 12 is, the perimeter of that is 48 inches. Last thing we're going to do is we will do it with this small little one since we've used all the other ones. Let's determine the area of this small. This horse is by himself. He must have been being naughty. So if you remember, area is equal to length times width. We've already measured it once, but I just want to check behind myself. We've got 6 inches and 6 inches. So area equals 6 times 6, which equals 36 inches square. And that's it, guys and girls. So what I want you to do now is finish up your Monday activity in math. Tomorrow, on Tuesday, you're going to have a fun digital escape room to do on area and perimeter. Wednesday, you will be designing your farm and just have so much fun. Remember, post pictures on our Facebook page, or you can send them to me or email them to me and I will get them posted. All right, guys, see you soon. Bye.